This is not a DVD. This is not a DVD. This is not a movie. This is not a DVD. This is not a DVD. This is not a movie. This is a mini poster. This is not a DVD. This is not a DVD. This is the last attempt for all those who buy this item and then ask if it's a DVD. I can't not put the words "this is not a DVD" bigger size in the description, but people continue to buy thinking that they are buying a DVD. This is not a DVD. This is my last attempt at those out there that feel they do not need to read. This is not a DVD. This is not a DVD. This is a backer card. Read the entire description. This is not a DVD. For those of you who know what this is, I am sorry. But others simply buy it. This is not a DVD. This is not a movie. After all fees are taken, the rest of the proceeds go to help find a cure for cystic fibrosis. Thank you to those who buy them and read the entire description. I am hoping that if I mention "this is not a DVD" about 50 times, it will help cut down all the ignorance on some buyers. This is not a movie. This is not a DVD. We already received a negative on a card that clearly stated it was not a DVD. This is not a DVD.